Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to warp a shape in Photoshop step by step. Create a new layer and insert any shape. Go to Edit tab, Transform Path, Warp manually, or again press Ctrl T on your keyboard, right click on your mouse, Warp, Customs, Arcs lower, arcs upper, black, warp. OK. Again press Ctrl T on your keyboard, right click on your mouse, distort, skew, perspective, etc. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.